In today's video, I will teach you how to organize Lightroom presets. Let's get started. Presets in Lightroom can help streamline your editing workflow, but if they're disorganized, finding the right preset becomes a hassle. Here's a step-by-step guide to organize your Lightroom presets efficiently. First, open Lightroom and switch to the Develop module by pressing D. On the left-hand side, find the Presets panel. Now we're going to group presets into folders. To do this, simply click on the plus icon at the top right of the Presets panel. Then name the folder, for example, Portrait Presets or Black and White. Then click Create. Now we're going to move the presets into folders. To do this, right-click on the presets that you want to organize. Then select Move and choose the desired folder or group. Then repeat for all relevant presets. Now we're going to rename the presets for clarity. To do this, right-click on the preset and select Rename. Use descriptive names to make presets easy to identify. For example, Bright Portrait or Moody Landscape. And you should avoid cryptic names that don't describe the effect of the preset. Now we're going to delete unnecessary presets. To remove unused or redundant presets, right-click on the preset and select Delete. Then confirm the action. But take note that deleting a preset permanently removes it. Now we're going to hide or manage Lightroom's default presets. If the default Lightroom presets clutter your panel, simply click on the plus icon at the top right of the Presets panel. Then select Manage Presets. Then uncheck the boxes for default preset groups that you don't need. Then click Save. And to back up your presets, simply go to Edit and Preferences, and in the Presets tab, click Show All Other Lightroom Presets. Then copy the folder to an external drive or cloud storage. This ensures your presets are safe if you change devices or reinstall Lightroom. By organizing your Lightroom presets, you'll enjoy a faster and more efficient editing workflow, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than searching for tools. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.